Now I will take a cardboard platform, then paste both the breadboard and the Arduino Uno on the platform. The orange wire is called signal wire and it should be connected with 12 digital pins on Arduino Uno. Then connect red wire with 5 volt on Arduino Uno and brown wire with GND on Arduino Uno as shown in the video. This is the ultrasonic sensor. Connect VCC with 5 volt, trig pin with 10 digital pin, echo with 11 digital pin, GND with GND on Arduino Uno. Now take a red LED and the long leg is called positive and the short leg is negative. Insert it on the breadboard as shown in the video. Insert positive leg with 9 number and negative with 12 number line on breadboard. Now take 2 jumper wires and connect 9 digital pin with positive line and GND with negative line on breadboard as shown in the video. Insert the resistor accordingly, then take 1 jumper wire and connect with negative line. Like this, with negative line. Take 1 more jumper wire and connect LED positive line with other positive line like this. Follow instructions. You will get 3 files in the description, and the first one is Arduino Code file, second one is processing code file, and the third one is processing installer file. Firstly, you have to open the Arduino Code file, then copy all the code and paste it in the Arduino software. Like this. Don't forget to check your tools and then upload it. Like this. Our code is now uploaded, and then you have to install the processing software and open the processing code file and copy all the code and paste it in the processing software. Don't forget to change your comb here, as my comb is 7. You have to check it in your Arduino software. Then run the code and our project is now done. Don't forget to like and subscribe.